I guess now you can hear me. Hey everybody, family, friends, and fellow rockers. We're gonna take out the drone today. We tried yesterday, and being very windy, the drone just was not very controllable. It was just flopping around in the air in the wind, and it took a couple spills straight to the ground. So we're gonna go out again today. It's a less windier day today. I think the wind speed is less than 3 miles per hour, so we should be able to handle that. And it's beautiful out. Look at this. Look at all of that. Very nice. So we got our coffee. We've got our bag packed. I think we just need to get one more thing for extra thirst quenching abilities. Other than that, I think we're done. So we're going to stop this video, and then we're going to start it back up when we get to the place that we're going to fly at, which isn't too far away. So see you soon. Bye-bye.